What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And today you guys, I'm going to be making, it's called one pan cheesy smoked sausage and pasta. But this is yet again another recipe that I've gotten off Pinterest. I have been making this for about 3 years now. My friends have tried it, my boyfriend has tried it, my family has tried it, and I'm just excited to share with you guys what I found. This was on Pinterest and this is where I found it, so I will shout them out for you. I will also have the link for the recipe down below in the description as well, so you guys can also find it if you would like to try it as well. It's called one pan cheesy smoked sausage and pasta. The only thing about this video is I do not follow exactly what the recipe says, because the first time I did, but the second time when I was more experienced with this, I started throwing in my own stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Shout out to Budget Savvy Diva. Make sure you guys go check that out. Again, the link will be in my description. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. Make sure you like this video as well because it's already getting good. All right, okay. And are you ready to chef it up with me? Because I'm ready. Okay, you guys, so this is all the ingredients I'm pretty sure that we're gonna need. I'm gonna start out, I got some shrimp. This is not in the recipe, but again, I said I was putting my own little twist to things, so. Take a tablespoon of olive oil. I am making a double batch, so I'm gonna double all of the recipes. So there's one and there's two. Put it over medium heat. We're gonna add the onions and sausage. We're gonna put a whole cup of onions in there. Like I said, I'm doubling this batch, so I'm using 2 pounds of sausage instead of 1. Okay, you guys, now that I got most of the sausage chopped up, I still have one over here that I don't quite know if I want to use that yet. So the onions. And I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. Oh, not 50. I actually did have to end up putting a little more meat in there, but now I'm going to take some minced garlic since I'm making a double batch. I'm adding some cayenne pepper. This is my own little twist on it as well. Just a little bit. Some red pepper flakes. And this is gonna cook for 2 minutes. Okay, so the 2 minutes is now up. I'm doing 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm gonna stir. And I'm doing a whole cup of milk. And yes, you guys, I know this is not normal milk, but we drink almond milk because I'm trying to stay away from dairy. So then they all started doing it as well. So we're gonna do a cup of milk. It's about a cup of milk. Add that in there as well. Looks really nasty right now. And now you guys, we're gonna add our pasta. So I don't want to do too many noodles yet, you guys, but now I'm going to just bring this to a boil. So I'm going to turn the heat up so I can get it to boiling. All right, you guys, so it is now boiling. So I'm going to stir it. And then I'm going to lower the heat and cover it. And I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. But I'm gonna put the shrimp in now. Alright, y'all, I added my shrimp in. I'm gonna cover it again. Done. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have my mom and dad try what I just made. Like I said, I've been making this for about 3 years, so they know what it tastes like, but this is another batch. Another day, another batch. So they're gonna try this one for me and tell me how it tastes. Be the first ones to try it. And stay tuned for my next video that I am about to make right now. I'm making some virgin daiquiris for us tonight as well. So I'm really doing it up because it's always good to give back for your parents because of them years. Because they always cook for us. So it's nice to return the favor as well. So
This is trash.
now they have a stress-free night that I cooked everything and did all the drinks. Here, I'm obviously the favorite.
Throw that away.
Just kidding.
Thank you. You are a favorite girl.
I'm the only girl. I got them a little bowl here.
Little sample.
Little sample size. So first for her, this is my mother.
Ew, that's attractive. Okay. Or should we do it?
We're gonna toast the noodles or something?
Toast the
Wait,
noodles.
hold on. It's not focusing.
Oh, because Dad was all up in the camera.
There we go.
Okay, toast.
Oh,
Tooth.
it's good.
Good.
This is the bomb. I love it. You did such a good job. Oh,
Yes, sir. Another dub for Alyssa.
make this. It's delicious.
Yes, please try it. And if you guys do decide to try it, hit me in the comments or my DMs to let me know because I would love to know if you try it and how it works out for you. And we are out. All right, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. So let's get this bread all day and every day. Don't forget to give back to your parents, and we out. Woo!